In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your wallet address on Binance Lite. Whether you're trading cryptocurrencies or simply holding them for the long haul, knowing your wallet address is essential for managing your digital coins effectively. Binance Lite offers a more simplified way to handle your crypto needs and is perfect for beginners and seasoned traders alike. So, let's dive into this straightforward process. First, you'll need to launch the Binance app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Once inside the app, you'll notice that the interface is designed to be user-friendly, especially in light mode, which reduces the abundance of options normally found in the Pro version. Now that you're logged in, look towards the bottom right corner of the app. Here, you'll find the Wallets tab. Tap on it, and this will take you to your personal wallet page. Your wallet is where you can view your entire crypto portfolio, see your transaction history, and find your wallet addresses for various cryptocurrencies. Once you're on the Wallets page, you'll notice different assets listed. Locate the specific cryptocurrency for which you need to find the wallet address. You can do this either by scrolling through the list or by using the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find the cryptocurrency you need. Suppose you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address. Tap on Bitcoin and it will open up a detailed page showing your Bitcoin balance, alongside options for deposit and withdrawal. Your objective here is to find the deposit option, so tap on Deposit. After selecting Deposit, you'll be asked to choose the network. Most people will opt for the default network, which in this case is the Bitcoin network. However, if you're dealing with a specific use case, ensure that you select the correct network, as using the wrong one might result in the loss of funds. Once the network is chosen, your unique wallet address will appear, usually in the form of a long, alphanumeric string. This is your public wallet address, and it is the one you can share with others or use yourself to receive Bitcoin. For convenience, you can copy this address by tapping the copy icon located next to the address. To make things easier, your wallet address also appears as a QR code on the screen. This feature is particularly useful for quick transactions, especially when dealing with person-to-person exchanges. Simply have the person sending you Bitcoin scan this QR code to automatically input your wallet address. And there you have it. You've successfully located your wallet address on Binance Lite. Use this address for your transactions, and remember to always double-check it before sending or receiving any funds. By mastering this simple process, you're one step closer to confidently navigating the world of cryptocurrency on Binance Lite. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!